Hello, scholars. My name is Magister Beck, and Magister Cole and Mr. Mangold, the other two FIAD teachers, aren't here right now, but we're very excited to have all you Parnassians back at school. Or for the distance learners, we'll send out videos like this for you guys to follow along with. First thing we're going to go over is kind of like a scavenger hunt we want you to do at your house. So, for some of the activities, you may need a ball at home. If you do not have a ball, we can have you make one by just taking a couple pairs of socks or one pair of socks, rolling them up. You can utilize this as a ball, or if you want something a little bigger, take a sweatshirt or a hoodie, stick all the material in the hood, and take the strings, go around two opposite directions, give it a nice little knot, and then you'll have a bigger ball to use. Some of the other activities we may do, you may have to use a cone in order to mark off some stuff in your yard or in your apartment or house. If you don't have a cone, again, you can use a sock, a baseball cap, anything, a pair of shoes, just to mark off what we want you to mark off for the activity. Jump rope. There may be some activities where you ask you to use a jump rope. If you do not have a jump rope, you can find a rope. Any kind of rope, as long as it's a good length for you to jump rope with. If you don't have a rope, you may need an extension cord. Extension cord will work as well for you to use as a jump rope. A hula hoop may be something we ask you to use. Not so much for actually going around and hula hooping around your waist, but using as a target, maybe to throw a ball or some object into it, like your sock ball. If you do not have a hula hoop for a target, you can use any object. A cone, wastebasket, or laundry basket. You can go back to a rope or an extension cord and make a circle or a target like the hula hoop. So to start with, for the beginning of the year, those are the couple of things we want you to scavenger around in your house to see if you can find. And like I said, if you don't have particular objects or things we want you to have, you can utilize something else around your house to make, like the sock ball or the sweatshirt hoodie, rolling it up, making a ball. That'll all suffice for our lessons. Until next time, when Mr. or Magister Cole or myself or Mr. Mangold talk to you, have a great day, guys. Bye.